Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to adjust an image on Canva. So the first step is to add your image, and to do this you can either choose to upload one or you can go to Elements and search for an image in the photo library. Once you've added the image, ensure that it's selected and click on Edit Image at the top. Then from here, select the option Adjust. From here you have different ways you can adjust your image. You can change the brightness, the contrast. You can even change the colors, the vibrance, and the texture of the image to your liking. You also have this option labeled Auto Adjust, and when you click on it, it automatically looks for the best way in which you can adjust your image, and you should see the changes in these options down here. So if you want to remove it, you can click on Reset Adjustments and it will go back to its default form. So then you also have the option of adjusting a certain part of the image. So when you come to Select Area, you have three options. You can adjust the whole image, you can adjust the foreground, or the background. So let's say you want to adjust the background. Then you can also, the background will be selected on your image. And then from here, you can change the temperature. You can also change the tint of the background. You can change the brightness. You can change the contrast, and all of these options here. Simply use the slider to adjust to your liking. When you find you don't like the adjustments that you've made, click on Reset Adjustments and it will go back to its default form. Then you can choose a different area that you want to change. So if we choose whole image, the whole image will be selected. Then from here, we can change the contrast of the image, the blacks, the whites, the shadows, and we can even change the color. So as you can see, this image has a lot of greens, blues, and beige. So if we wanted to change the color of the, say, blue, we would click on it. Then we could increase the saturation, the brightness, and we also have this option of changing the hue. So you can move this around to change the hue of the blue color. Then when you click on the color again, you should see the change has been applied to your image. So again, if you find that you don't like it, click on Reset Adjustments and then try again with different options. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.